In primetime news this evening, a global IT outage leads to chaos. How did Jamaica fare? Repair bill for schools damaged by Hurricane Beryl climbs to nearly $3 billion. And JPS contractors face warm time as they try to restore electricity in Clarendon.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keyes.
Well, Kalisha, the local economy is expected to see about a $20 million injection with all the festival activities that are taking place this weekend, from Rumfest on Thursday all the way up to Sumfest, which ends on Saturday. I'll have the details later on.
And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in the Olympics, I should say sports.
Well, Gio, national amateur record holder Naoka Clunis is set to have her day in court tomorrow, and she'll know the results of her CAS appeal by Sunday on whether she'll get a chance to compete at the Olympics in Paris. And the West Indies, they made a strong fight back on day 2 of their second test against England. I'll have that and more in Primetime Sports Friday.
And Giovanni Romain is also here with what's to come in this evening's weather reports.
Thanks, Kalisha. We have rainfall in the forecast for much of the west on Sunday, that's this coming Sunday, but thereafter we're expecting slightly drier conditions for most of the start of next week.
There's also sports commentary in the E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what needs to be done to fast-track the repairs for schools impacted by Hurricane Beryl.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.